Guys, in this video, I'll share a couple of trades that we have taken during the live market mentoring session, and it's in the afternoon session. Couple of trades I'll show you, and we got a lot of trades as we discussed in the pre-market. We got put up. If you see, if you look at the chart, let me show you the chart first. So just like yesterday, you got a very clean up move in the opening itself, and the market opened about 24,060. You got the move, and then you got the dip also from 20 MA, just like yesterday. You got the bounce again, came here 24,000. They came here. So what trade that I'm attaching now is couple of trades that I have taken. I think one trade I have taken from here, double top trade. That once it came here, once I got this rejection, I tried a put trade here. We got it rewarded very well, and that put trade is what you'll be seeing. And also from 20 MA, and this call trade is what you're going to see. And after that, we have Saturday, Sunday coming, so I have this upside trade is recorded, and even this 20 MA trade is also there. And this when high is taken out, this high is taken out after this candle, a quick scalping is done. That is also there. Those you'll be watching. I think this double top trade. And multiple entries were there, multiple entries, exit entries like that. And this 20 MA, this call trade also. So guys, you can watch that. And this is how the live market mentoring work. It's not a call providing program. Here I trade, I teach based on my, to learn that during market session. That's the live market, actual real learning. You can talk to my team and you can join the session. Yeah, considering that red candle can sell one call scalping for scalping if you want to. Yeah, it's trying to come down, but the pivot is taking support. Previously, it's broken. Let's try a small quantity, taken it at 112. Previously, it went to 155 also. What I've taken this. Oh, this is call strike. 112 is my entry. Just 300 quantity, 2 red candles. Let's see if we get a follow up. Double top also. Yeah, I can sell a call. Otherwise, call is melting. $300 quantity. It's a test dose because from the higher level, breaking 20 MA, we can go slightly more quantity. Now, quantity I'm not going for. Selling side quantity can be okay. Call side, we get scalping opportunity. Yeah, keeping this high as the stop loss, we can look at it. It's a very good double top. 112 is the entry. Hmm, 120. That's again a big candle. Added more, 104. I'm looking for this low, actually this high. Then take out this double top, then the move can be faster. So I can keep this high as a stop loss. Oh, So aggressive. Yeah, just played with the premium. Still not broken the high. Yeah, look at that reversal. See the reversal. Let's see if we get a break now. Then that can move very good. Look at this. 110. Reduce some at 113. Wow. 120. Look at that, guys. Reduce some at 123. It's coming good. Introduce some at 130. 128 I got. 132. 135. Beautiful trade. Yeah, I'm still holding 200. 135. Come on. Yeah, that's a trap, right? Quickly move to that level. So many got trapped, might have exited. And look at this reversal. Yeah, that's why I was looking into selling more calls rather than buying puts. Look at this DK which you got here. Just 1 minute, guys. Hello? Another quarter. Yeah, 130. I think we can reduce some more. But yeah, it's coming. The momentum is there. It broke. It's at 20 MA. If that is also breaking, we'll get it beautifully. Only thing is that now it's at 20 MA. That's why I've exited majority of the quantity. 20 MA now should not support. It should give a breakdown. So far it's supported. Here it's supported. Here it's supported. It's very good for us. Okay, it's reversing. Added some here at 120. Yeah, let's see. 110 is my trailing stop loss. 120 is where I added. Yeah, it's bouncing from 20. It's expected. That's why I reduced almost all. If you look at it, what we did is we've added at these levels. At 300, I reduced at 115 and then 121, then 128. Right, it went to 135 also. Now I added at 120. Should be getting a move now. Follow up for this candle. And today I'll stop slightly early. 25. Come on. Reversed. 110 will be the trailing stop loss for the straight. But the way it is trying to give a dip, we may get it to 140, even much more than that. At least if they come here, that can go to 170, 180 also. If they come to this base. It's a perfect double top, Sanjay. So we entered after these two red candles. And they trapped us also. So I added there at 96. 104 also I've added. Then now I added at 120. It's still there only. Yeah, goes below 110, I will exit and then we will re-enter, okay? In case if it is giving further confirmation, we re-enter. Otherwise, if they pass the time, then the premium decay. Then I don't want to get exposed to that. Yeah, buying position, it's okay. Otherwise, no. Hello? Yeah, it's 126. It went to 5,000, lost something when it was here, but then it gave us profit. That's why I started off with lower quantity, 300, then added 300, then added 200. Selling call, I was comfortably. Even in that spike also, they did not break the high. If you remember, that is what I was talking about. They did not break this high because this was my stop loss for selling call option, because that is also not breaking this high. So selling call option was very good for me, and put option, only thing is that I trapped at that time. Otherwise, we would have been trapped if we exited. I reduced some at 130. We'll keep this 200 again. Yeah, in this move, if I would have exited, I would have been trapped. Since already I had a selling position also, I could hold it because I'm looking at this level. Either I wanted, okay, this have broken the low to break the high. Neither of that is happening. So it's just a trap. So now if you see, this have given almost 50%. It went to 86 level and coming to 130 means more than 50% bounce already you got in this premium. Again, 20 MA stuck at 20. Now we need a break of this. Good thing is that it's now came below this pivot, right? This is a good positive sign. We just need a break of 20 also. Then this is going to give you 180 levels. The VWAP is at 170. You can get that level. So that is why we just keep only 200 quantity. Let's see what we get. The stop loss. That's the best way to trade the selling. Previous candle stop loss. Strike price, previous candle. Not giving it easily, right? Again, bouncing from 20. Now this time I'm not adding. Keep it only. 130. Again 130. So it looks like it can break now. Yeah, one down move is coming. Morning session also we discussed about that and we got it. Here also we got it. Here also we got it. Yeah, this is where we discussed before we closing the session. Got till this. So it's back to 130 again. 20 MA is at 145. The way call melting is so smooth. It is not going that way. 140. Okay, it's at 20 MA. Need to break this. Can we get it now? Still holding 200. 110 will be the trailing stop loss. We won't be losing in that any case. Maybe what will happen is we entered at these levels 112, 104, 96. So 112 we can say we exited. Then 104 we can say we got this profit. Rest of it is the entries at 96. And then this 120 entry also we exited 100, 100. So we're not going to lose in any way. Maybe from this 80,000. It's 140 already. I'll reduce some at 142. Wow, 146. It's breaking 20. Okay, again took support. Now 130 is the trailing stop loss. 130 is my trailing stop loss for this rest of the 100. $146 again, 150. Reduce them at 150. Come on. Guys, we are trailing this trade from 96. It's almost 70%. 60 points we bought in that. 130 is the trailing stop loss now for the 60 point. This trade I hope all of you got, right? Because everything was in alignment like a double top, red candle. This high, even though there was a trap, this high is not taken. Now it is, I'll give this 130 in the system. That's my trailing stop loss. Okay, so I'll keep this 130 as a trailing stop loss. If it is taken, it is taken. They're playing drama at 20 MA. So yeah, we got decent profit in this trade with small quantity. Yeah, that's taken. So we're out. പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി നമ്മൾ വേറെ ഒരുപാട് കമ്മിറ്റ് 2-3 നായിട്ട് ഇതുപോലെ കമ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് വേറെ 2-3 അപ്പം ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ ബഡ്ജറ്റ് ഇഫ് യു വാണ്ട് ടു ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറയും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കൊരു താല്പര്യമില്ല പറഞ്ഞാൽ അങ്ങനത്തെ രീതിയിൽ മതി നമ്മളെ ആവശ്യക്കാരുടെ good no now it reversed Again, coming to that area. Can we try again? Only thing is that IT is doing very good. That's why I'm a little bit hesitant also to go on that. Look at that now. Crazy. Taken this at 111. 111 I've taken. Just 400 quantity. One 120. I'll reduce them at 120. We keep this 200. Yeah, I think, see, the issue is that IT is looking very strong. Otherwise, I would have gone aggressively on the put side. Now, the reason for the entry is that it again came to that pivot. Now, let's see if they reverse or not. If not, I'll exit and we'll close this trade actually. Because IT is looking strong. So we don't know whether they try to claim back this high once again. And it's looking at this double top. That bounce was a good opportunity to go on a call sell. Actually, call sell is what you need to do. But since buyers are also sitting, I'm looking at buying modes. Sensex call you can sell only if you are in front of the system all the time, listening to me and exit based on the candles. Like for example, this VWAP, this 130. If you are with this, VWAP is your stop loss. No matter whatever is going to happen after that, right? We will exit the moment it comes below. We will re-enter again. To exit as long as it is below VWAP. I entered at this 110. So if you look at the trades, 112, 104, 96, we almost got till 152 also. Trading stop loss was taken and re-entered at 110. Now it is trading at 125. It's 125. We'll reduce 100 at 125. We'll keep 100. For this 100, my stop loss is cost. That is 110. So I won't be losing in this trade again. So this entry is 110, reduced at 120, 125. Now for this, I'll keep stop loss at cost 110. $134. Reduce them at 132. So yeah, now for this 60, I'll keep 110 as a stop loss. 110, or we can keep slightly more, 115. We'll do one thing, we'll keep 115 as a stop loss. In case if it is taken, that's it. No issue. Entry was here. Entry is at 110, reduced at 120, 125, 131. So we'll keep stop loss here now at 115. I hope all of you got this, right? It's a beautiful setup, double top. After this, only we entered back to 130. And this very same trade gave us 150 also, 152 also. And now actually it is trading below that, right? Okay, very close to that. But that's the decay. But see, if you are trading the call side, if you are selling the call, you are very good. It is equivalent to here again. If you need to get it back, by that time they'll break this low again and might have come to this level also. 135. Screen has got stuck now. $134. But all of you should be getting these two trades, at least the first trade, if not the second one. Within that trade itself, right? If you see, from here we started. This is buy, sell. We bought again after selling at 128 levels. We bought again at 120 and sold at 130. 140, 150, and then trailing stop loss 10, 180, 124, 131. Now it's coming to 125. Yeah, stop loss is taken placed at 150. I'm looking for one big red candle. So I have called selling position, which I don't want to exit. I just need to think of, as long as they are staying below VWAP, I'm comfortable. If you're looking for scalping, you can do accordingly. But what I do is I hold it as long as it is below VWAP. Because yeah, I sold it here. All I sold it here. The moment we bought the put here, all I sold here. Look at that. The DK we got massive. 40, 50 points we already got. In that trap also, many would have trapped here. I know many of the option buyers you might have exited because they have broken this low. But it never broke this high. I told you this, either this high is your stop loss or spot high is your stop loss. This candle has not taken that. Even future high is also not taken. Leave the future, it is slightly confusing today. $144. 140. Okay, I exited at 141. Close it, it's getting rejected. So all of you got this, right? Look at that 116. Otherwise, it would have taken out 150 stop loss. But anyway, good.